Hi there. We all know how important voiceovers are. They're unavoidable, as you'll need them to make any kind of videos, such as sales videos, demo videos, presentation videos, training videos. The problem? Voiceovers are super expensive. If you go on all the major freelance sites, you'll find out quickly how expensive voiceovers are. Just how expensive? I'm talking about thousands of dollars. Take a look at some recent profiles of voice talent that I found on Fiverr. The lowest one starts at $100 up to over $1,050 for a 1,300-word script. Not to mention all the extra costs such as commercial license and other fees. It's downright annoying and expensive. And to make things worse, these voiceover artists can deliver late, screwing up your entire project. The other option? You could use creepy-sounding text-to-speech and scare away your website visitors. Please, don't make the mistake of scaring your visitors away with creepy-sounding text-to-speech. Using those free text-to-speech tools will only scare away your visitors. You might as well take thousands of dollars and light it on fire. We found a solution. In today's world, you must stand out from the crowd. You need voiceovers that are enjoyable to listen to. That's exactly why we put together a solution that would allow you to create human-like voiceovers from our AI within minutes. And we've been able to do exactly that. Introducing Romeo. Romeo is a brand new voiceover software that turns any text into a real human voiceover within minutes. Imagine if in minutes from now, you could create simple voiceovers from scratch and use with any video editing software. Simply upload and you're done. 195 different voices. You get a whopping 195 different human-sounding voices that capture attention and trust. Speech-to-text converter. Enter any audio file and you'll have an article within minutes. Step-by-step training. This training shows the ins and outs of Romeo and how to make the most out of the software in a step-by-step manner. Software updates. We strive to make your experience with us amazing, so we'll be frequently adding updates to the software. World-class support team. If you experience any issues with Romeo, we're more than happy to help solve your problems. Our team of trained support professionals are ready to help at any time. Speech-to-speech. Instantly convert existing audio files into other languages and lifelike voices within minutes. Access over 100 plus human-like voices. English plus 30 other languages. Say goodbye to expensive and unreliable freelancers. 2 million HQ premium music tracks, unlimited use. 2 million plus HD stock images. Free Romeo commercial license. 12 exclusive bonuses. Unlimited downloads with no monthly fee. Commercial license included. Sell unlimited assets and videos to earn like the big boys. No special skills or experience required. Quick project creation. High-speed project delivery. 24/7 ongoing technical support. Voice over any type of text. High range of niches. 97% human-like accuracy. In just 3 steps, you'll start making huge amounts of profits. All it takes is 3 simple steps. Step 1. Paste your text in. Simply paste your text inside text to convert for which you want to get your voiceover done. Step 2. Choose any language and voice. Convert your text into your desired language. Just choose the language you want to convert to. Step 3. Download the voiceover. Download the voiceover and prepare to be amazed. It really is that simple. Bliss is perfect for you if you're a beginner in search of a great business opportunity. If you're looking to supplement your income without working hard. If you're currently out of a job and looking for an instant avenue to make money. If you like a shortcut to guaranteed success. If you don't like taking risks. If you're an instructor or teacher. If you want to make it big without spending every last penny in hiring a big team. If you're done struggling. If you want a bright future. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on this page hits 0. So hurry. Take action now. Now you can finally stop paying the hectic monthly fees to all the major freelance sites. It's time to step up and create highly sought human-like voiceovers that help you increase your earnings and save thousands. So here, from our point of view, an impossible-to-refuse offer. It's like giving a tool to save up to $10,000 a year. It's 100% risk-free for you. 365-day money-back guarantee. If you feel like Romeo isn't suitable for you and doesn't help you at all, as a result of using it, we'll double your money back after giving it a try. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to what's fast becoming the most preferred platform for thousands of entrepreneurs around the world. Hello, and welcome to Romeo, the #1 AI-based real human-like voiceover builder platform. Romeo is integrated with the incredible text-to-speech service of AWS, Google, and IBM. Our AI-based voiceover software is so profitable that we also use it ourselves to sell successful voiceover services. Our business clients use it to save thousands of money. Our TTS service covers 80+ languages and multiple voices and accents. Romeo is basically the solution to all your voiceover problems. Quickly, let me give you a tour of this awesome software. First, you can find here the text-to-speech option, and from here you can find the language you'd like to use. So if you said select English over here, you can put the text here and preview the result in a bit. Okay, let me do a quick text so you can see for yourself. I'll copy and paste my text here, then click on Preview.
Affiliate marketing in 2021, what it is and how you can get started.
So this is how you can preview the text-to-speech feature. Over here, you can find two kinds of voice. The first one is the standard neural voice, and the second one is the AI voice. You can find these sample voices over here. As you can see, we have multiple male and female voice samples. Now, if you click on the Synthesize to File, the original voice will be available over here. Now, if you choose another language, let's pick the Chinese language, then we preview it here.
Affiliate marketing in 2021, what it is and how you...
You can find the same for Germany, France, Italy, and all these languages are available over here. You only need to choose which one you like to work with and preview. Okay, from here you have the output volume, and here you have the speaking rate. Now, if you want, just click over the download option, and it'll be downloaded in an MP3 format, and there's more action to view, delete, and all. Going forward, image search and image editor features. Here we have our training videos, which cover all the tools and how to use them. Over here, you can upgrade your account anytime you want, and then here is the support ticket. You can reach out to us 24/7, and our support agent will be on standby to assist you. So here it is, guys. I believe you already love this software. We can't wait to have you using it. We'll see you inside the software.